Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to center objects on Workplane in Tinkercad. So there are no feature to do that, but I'll show you a few workarounds that works perfectly fine. So basically what you'll need to do is select ruler, then go to Workplane corner and zoom in. After that, select the corner and put the figure, let's say rectangle or the cube, how I would call that. And right here you can center it. So as you can see, there's 90 millimeters and here it is 89. So let's make a 90 and now it's centered. So as you can see, it is perfectly in center. Okay, so you can use this method, but I will show you another method that you can use is basically take a cube again and put it in the center like this. Now what we'll need to do is make that cube under the Workplane, and right here just lock this cube, and now if I take another figure I will be able to build from the center. So it is the same as centering your figure, and you can use with this align tool. As you can see, it perfectly aligns. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.